Good day, everyone. So we have here our code sample for our shop manage system. So we have wait, let me. So we have the login here, which we have users, manager, and admin. And now we are going to use our admin account, which is admin. Also want our password, and we will switch the role into admin. So upon checking valid password, so we have the authentication for our login. So upon using our real password we have here, we can access our admin dashboard. So we have one user, which is our admin, and zero categories, zero products. Now let's add a user on which we will add my name and my Google account. Also add some password and the role of manager, and we have here we will set is to active. So it is successfully added, which we have here. And now we will add for our category. First, we will add a technology. Now we add some technology here. Also next, appliances. Appliances and foods or beverage foods or beverage beverages. So as you can see, we have add here, and now we will perform our edit. So upon editing, we can delete this and update the category. So as you can see, it is updated, and now we will perform the delete. So upon saying category deleted successfully, we will see that the category is deleted. So if we add foods as a category again, we will see the ID number which will be 4. So next we have the CSV, Excel, and PDF are working. Also the print. Oh, and we have also the search bar for the foods. The search will see search. For now, we will go into the products on which we can access it on the so we each let's say Samsung. Also description Z Flip with Ultra HD camera. And the price will vary on 12,000. So choose a category. So we have the three categories here. So technology, stock, each 120. Choose file for the image of the item. So for example, we have our file here. And as you can see, if we add the product, say product added successfully, and we will see this our product list. So let's add some TV, ultra ultra thin, HD glass. Price will be 7,000. This category is appliances or technology again. And stock is 12. Choose file. Let's add some file like this and add product. So as you can see, product added successfully. For this is the admin dashboard. We can delete this product, and that's it. So we can edit the product. So let's say HD camera and thin or ultra wide angle. So as you can see, let's add this into 100 and update the product update successfully. So as you can see, we have the ultra wide angle here in the description, and The stock is 100. We have the CSV, Excel, PDF, and print products. So let's cancel that. And we have here. So let's log out again. And upon using my other account for our manager, we have the admin for and role of manager. I'll log in. Oh wait, I forgot my password. Admin one. So as you can see, we have three categories here and one product. So the product earlier, the admin added is here. Now we can edit it as a manager. So Samsung G7 Prime. As you can see, we have edited here. And that's it. Our CRUD for management system is working. Thank you.